What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your LLC started in Missouri. So getting your LLC started and getting your whole business started can be a little bit intimidating, especially when you first start up. But I promise you, after you take that initiative to get this business going and get the ball rolling, you're not going to regret it. I've been working for myself for pretty much since I graduated high school. It's been a long time, and there are the highs and lows when opening your business, but I wouldn't have it any other way, and I hope by the end of this video, I hope you really get your business started. So two things I want to mention before we get this whole process started, it's going to be real fast and easy, is that once you get your LLC started, I want to make sure that you renew it every year to keep it active. So after you open your LLC in the beginning of every year, you always have to renew it to keep it active. If not, it deactivates or you have to pay a late penalty fee. You have about like 3 to 4 months to renew it, so you should be good with that. And also I want to mention that you want to get an EIN number for the LLC as well. That's the second important thing to do. That's what's going to allow you to open a business bank account and a business credit card. It's called an EIN number, and you get this from the IRS. And don't worry, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the LLC and EIN number. You're going to get it real fast and easy. But the EIN number is just a one-time thing that you get from the IRS, and this is what they ask for when you open up a business bank account and a business credit card. So let's get started right away and start your LLC. If you want to follow along with the whole process, I'll have the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. You can literally click that link and follow along the whole process. That way it's real fast and easy for you guys. And I really hope you take the initiative today and get this whole business started. So in front of me here, I have 𝗤𝙀 Brands. It's what I use to open up all my LLCs and my businesses. I personally sell full-time on Amazon. It's how I make the majority of my money online. So let's say we are making an LLC today for Missouri. Just going to go here to Missouri, click it here, and we're going to click Get Started, right? And now you want to have a business name already in mind when you want to start an LLC. For this example, we're going to put Midtown Power Seller for this example, because let's say I'm trying to open up another business. We're going to check if it's available. You don't need to type in LLC because it's going to have it there for you. So just check if it's available. And yes, it's showing that it is available. So we can click Next. Now they're going to ask you a couple of basic questions that's going to be real fast and easy. And I'm going to walk you through the whole process right now. So what stage is your business currently in? I'm going to say starting the first few steps here. And when are you planning on launching the business? Let's say in a few weeks. And now, what industry is the business in? For me, it's related to e-commerce, but if you type in any letter here, you can see a bunch of categories it comes up with, right? For me, mine is related to e-commerce, so I'm going to click that. And then what does my business offer? Physical goods or services? I'm just going to click physical goods. We're going to click next here. And then, do I plan on hiring any employees in the upcoming years? When I do my online businesses, it's usually just me. If you have business partners or employees, you can click yes. If you're not sure, you can click not sure. We're going to go next. And now they're going to ask for the operating zip code. So we're just going to put the zip code right here. And now they're going to ask, is it an online business, brick and mortar, or on the go? For mine, it's an online business. We'll click next here. What are you planning on doing for the business today? We're going to be doing the LLC as well as the EIN number. We'll click next right here. Now they're going to be asking, what have you already done for the business? I personally have not done any of this so far, so I'm just going to click skip. And then, how did you discover 𝗤𝙀 Brands? If you're watching this video, click YouTube, right? We'll click YouTube and we'll click next right now. Now, let's form your LLC and get your business training. I'm going to pass on this. No, thank you here. And now they're going to ask for your contact info. Right, we're going to put in our info. Let's put this real quick here. .com. Now we're going to now they're going to ask if you want 𝗤𝙀 Brands to get the EIN number for you. So I personally like 𝗤𝙀 Brands to do the EIN for me because I just want to get it done really fast. It's $99 for them to do it for you, or you can handle it yourself. Once the LLC is established, you would just go to the IRS website, apply for the EIN number there. It's a pretty easy process. You can get it done in one day. You have to do it during the weekdays, not the weekends. And yeah, it's not that hard of a process, but let's say if you're not really tech savvy and you don't like to do things on the computer, then you can pay a little bit extra, $99, and 𝗤𝙀𝗟 Brands can do it for you. For this example, we're going to pay the little bit extra, and we're going to click next. Now they're going to ask, do you want 𝗤𝙀𝗟 Brands to be your registered agent for Missouri? So what I like to do is always be my own registered agent for all of my LLCs. The only time you would hire like a registered agent is like when you're opening an LLC in a state that you don't live in. So like the majority of the people watching this video probably live in the state that they're filing the LLC for. Like the only time you ever really do this whole situation is like when your CPA tells you like, hey, you know, you should file an LLC in this state for tax benefits because you have a multi-million-dollar business and this might help you with this strategy. Like for the majority of the people watching this, they would be their own registered agent. For me, I am always my own registered agent for all of my LLCs. So for here, we're going to click I'll appoint a different registered agent, which is going to be yourself. We'll click, oops. We will click next here. And they're going to ask you, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure, which is going to be yourself. Now they're going to tell you, do you want pretty much 𝗤𝙀𝗟 Brands to renew the LLC for you? We charge $199 to renew it automatically for you, or you can handle it yourself for free. And you know, you have 3 to 4 months to renew the LLC manually. So I always do it myself. I always renew it myself. I mean, if you think you're going to forget, you can click this one. But for me, I always handle it myself. We're going to click next here, and now they're going to ask you pretty much, do you want a branding toolkit? I'm going to pass on this situation. This is something that I personally would do though. Do you want expedited filing time? So do you want your LLC done in 2 business days? They just charge you $49 extra, or do you don't mind waiting 14 days and you don't have to pay anything to get your LLC done? I personally, it all depends on your situation, right? If you're really ready to get your LLC done, you're ready to get the business going, you can click the 2 filing days. If you have a lot on your plate and you don't mind waiting the 2 weeks, you know, you can always click that. For this example, we're going to go with the expedited filing time, and we're going to click next. Now, establish your LLC operating agreement. I mean, you really don't need this. This is, I don't think it's necessary. Okay. Now, store receipts, no, you don't need this as well. This is pretty much an upsell. And do you want bookkeeping and invoices management? I will manage it myself for this. And do you want notifications about your business? Yes, I actually want to get notified. So we're going to click Get Notified. Now you're going to click Next here. And now you're going to see the Light, the Essentials, and the Elite packages. All 3 different packages. But remember what I told you guys. If you got that EIN number later, before in this video, we got the EIN number and the expedited filing. So if we go back here to the Light, you know, what I really like also is that you only have to pay the state filing fee here. This is the state filing fee. No matter what, you have to pay the state filing fee, and when you renew your LLC, you always have to pay this to keep it active every year. Once a year, you have to pay the $53. But if you go with 𝗤𝙀𝗟 Brands, right, you don't have to pay anything to use their service if you don't mind waiting the process the 14 days. So that's really what I like about 𝗤𝙀𝗟 Brands, right? So we're going to click the Light version here, and you're going to see that we have the filing fee for the state, $53, and we paid for the expedited filing of $49. Let's say we don't mind waiting 2 weeks. You can click this. You can see it's $53 for the filing. And then you show more right here. And we also got that EIN number as well. So the total due today to get your your LLC done is $102. You just click Pay with Card. And that's how you get your LLC done real fast and easy, straight to the point. I really hope this video is helpful to you in regards of getting your LLC started, getting your business started. Starting that LLC, I mean, it could be a little bit intimidating. A lot of people tend to procrastinate when they're starting their business because, you know, it's something official, right? But I suggest you to take that initiative, take that first step, get your LLC started today. Do not procrastinate. Get that business started. Get the business bank account, business credit card. Next thing you know, you're starting to make money. and your business is growing, and the more work you put into that business, the more return you get. I mean, I wouldn't have it any other way. I love working for myself, and I hope you do the same exact thing. If this video is helpful to you, hit that subscribe button, like this video if you can, comment anything, like if this video was helpful for you. Like, this really helps me grow this channel as well, and it shows YouTube that I'm really trying to like put out good content for you guys and help you guys out as much as I can. I'd appreciate it if like. And that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you guys on the next one. Peace.